Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a 1099-R. First, gather all your Form 1099-R documents. These forms report distributions from pensions, annuities, and other retirement plans. You'll typically receive one if you had distributions of $10 or more from a qualified plan. It's crucial to have these ready before you begin your tax preparation. Next, let's look at the key boxes on your Form 1099-R. Box 1 shows your total gross distribution. Box 2A indicates the taxable amount, which might be estimated if the payer doesn't know the exact figure. Box 4 reports any federal income tax withheld. These numbers are essential for accurately reporting your income. Now, it's time to report this income on your tax return. You'll typically enter the taxable amount from Box 2A of your Form 1099-R directly onto your Form 1040. Make sure to review any distribution codes in Box 7, as these indicate the type of distribution and can affect how it's taxed. Accuracy here is key to avoiding issues. Finally, consider a few important points. If you're under 59 1/2, your distribution might be subject to an early withdrawal penalty unless an exception applies. For complex situations, like rollovers or multiple distributions, consulting a tax professional is highly recommended. Always keep thorough records for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.